morning. Yes, very good morning, children. How are you all? Doing good? Yes? Yes. Then, what you people are doing? Are you completing everything? Yes. Send regularly the homework, children. Okay? Yes. Then no need to waste the time. Yes, we will start the class. Yes. Tell me, what is the date today? Today the date is 5th. Yes, we are in the month of October. Here is 2021. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday we have English, right? Yes, English subject. Let us see what is the thought for the day. Yes, never stop learning because life never stop teaching. Yes, never stop learning. Yes, till the end we will keep on learning only, children. Our life is learning only, right? We cannot stop the learning. Day by day we will learn the new things, right? Yes. Then we will start. Yes, we completed the textbook lesson and all, right, children? And exercises of the textbook also we have been completed, right? Now we will go on to the workbook. Okay. Now take out English workbook part 1. Yes. So we completed module 3, right? Now we are going to the module 4. Yes? Yes, module 4. In this what we will learn, children? Yes, take out the page number 43. Yes, in this we will learn sentence dictation, listen and learn. Then in vocabulary we will learn use a dictionary. Yes, then in grammar, relative pronouns. Then formal writing, email writing we will learn. In creative writing we will learn story writing. Okay? Yes. Today first dictation exercise 1.1 is sentence dictation. I will say the sentence, children. Will you write down? I will dictate it. Will you write? Yes, you are a grade 5 kids. You can't write? Yes? Yes, you can write. Then too, I will write on the board. Please copy down in page number 46. Okay? Yes. Only answers I will be writing. First one is the man sang. The man sang in her merry voice. Okay. Then second one, there was a blaze of excuse me, sunlight. There was a blaze of sunlight outside the cave. Okay. Then next is third one. Yes. The tailor hemmed the skirt. Okay. Then yes, children, fourth one. My father enjoys toasting bread. Watch the video and please complete it, children. Yes. Then next we have fifth one. The tired man staggered by the roadside. Okay. Yes, please complete it. Yes, complete it. Yes, please watch the video and complete it. Okay. Yes. Then next we have in page number 47 exercise 1.2 listen and answer. Yes, how you will listen? Yes, I will be telling one story or any other useful combination, right? Then listen carefully to that. Then you should answer for the following questions. Okay? Yes. So I will be telling the few passage about earth. Okay? Today I will be telling the passage about earth. Okay? Listen carefully, children. Did you ever wonder how an earthquake happens? Did you wonder how the earthquake happens? Do you know? The ground is usually still and stable. Right? Yes, our ground is stable and still. Yes. It is not shaking now. It is still like this. Like a statue. Right? Yes. Then how it is suddenly moves and breaks up in a such force? Then how suddenly it will move? The earth will move that side and this side. And how it is breaking. Have you seen the road and all? How it is broken if the earthquake comes. Have you seen the TVs and all, right, children? Yes, when earthquake happens, they will show you, right? Yes. How it happens then, tell me. Yes. Now we will learn about that only. Okay. Let us learn more about the structure of the earth and factors that lead to the earthquake. Now we will learn how the earthquake is happening. Okay. The earth is made up of many layers. Earth is made up of many layers. Okay. The innermost layer of the earth is called core. The innermost. Okay. Inside the earth. That layer is called as core. What it is called as? Core. Okay. The core is mostly solid and very hot. It is solid, very harder. Okay. And it is very hot also. Okay. Yes. It is surrounded by a second layer called the mantle. Is the second layer. Okay. The second layer, it is covered with a mantle. Okay. It is called as what? Mantle. Okay, children? Yes. Thus, it is surrounded by a second layer called the mantle. Unlike the core, mantle is more liquid, but it is hot as molten lava. Molten lava. You have seen lava. Yes, children. Inside the mountain, the lava comes out. Yes. Yes, the earth when it becomes very hot, right? What that lava is there, right? For the hot pressure, it comes up. Okay, from the mountain or some, this will be there. On that, okay, a small mountain or something. From inside that lava comes out like a liquid, very hot also. Okay, like that, the second layer mantle is there. Okay, unlikely like that only. The liquid mantle is purposely in motion. Is slowly only it will increase the heat. Okay. The third and uppermost layer of the earth is called the crust. Third and uppermost, it is upper. Okay, that is called as crust. Okay, that is called as crust. This layer is made up of huge rocks called plates. Yes, this is the what? This layer is made up of what? Huge rocks. Big stones, rocks. Okay, that is called as plate. Okay, yes. Plates that fits together like a puzzle. Okay, that will fit like a puzzle. Okay, this is the part of the earth we can see. This is the part of the earth which we can see. Okay, it makes up the ground to be walk on. Yes, it will make us like a ground, and on that only we are walking. That is the third layer. Okay, that is nothing but earth only. Bhumi is earth. Okay, yes. The plates of the earth keep rubbing against each other as they are always in motion. Okay, these plates of the earth will keep on rubbing inside. We don't know. It will be rubbing inside. Okay, yes, against each other. And they are always in motion only. They are always in motion, means increasing the heat. Okay, yes. Underneath the plates, the earth is very hot. Underneath, inside the earth, it is really very hot. Okay. Then the plates together for a very long time, and it will be rubbing each other for a very long time inside the ground. Understand? The heat increases more. Heat will increase when we are rubbing our hands also. earth also, earth core, the crust is rubbing each other. Then the rubbing, what happens? It will increase the heat only. More heatness will come. Right? Yes, like that. Okay? Long time it is doing like that. That's why that is increasing the heat. This causes the pressure. This will cause the pressure. How in pressure cooker? If you keep it on the stove, suddenly it will become busy. No. After sometimes only, right? The pressure means heat should be more. Then only the pressure will come. Then only the whistle will go up. Right? Because of that pressure, that heatness. Okay? Like that only. This also. Under the earth, to increases under the earth, it will be increasing. What will be increasing? Hot. Okay? Sometimes pressure is increases so much that the earth trembles and breaks apart of release the pressure. To release the pressure, what happens? When it is heating more inside the earth, what happens? Suddenly it shakes, earth shakes also, and what happens? Earth will break also into two parts. Have you seen in the TV and the right children? Like that it happens. Okay, because of the more in the pressure of increasing hotness, heatness. Okay, that's why. Then this is called earthquake. This is a hard earthquake. This only we will say it is an hard earthquake. Okay. How the earthquake will occur? Like this only. Okay. Earthquakes are measured by a meter. Okay. Some meter is there. Some instrument is there. We will measure the earthquake by that only. What is that? That is seismograph. That is called as seismograph. Okay. Yes. Then the strength of every earthquake is different. Yes. Every earthquake is not the same. It is different. Okay. Some earthquake is so mild that we cannot be felt. Some are very mild earthquake. Okay. We cannot feel that. Sometimes we cannot feel that earthquake. That is mild earthquake. Okay. Yes. Then so that we cannot feel. Okay. Where are some so strong that can be destroy the buildings and forests. Yes, some of the earthquakes are very dangerous. So it can destroy the buildings. Have you seen earthquake happens? Buildings also will fall. Many people will die. Have you seen children? Like that only even in forest also. Trees also will be broken into two and it will be fallen down also. Because of the very strong earthquake. Okay. Then we can feel that, right? Yes. Then each earthquake is given a number of something called restructure scale. Restructure scale we will call it. Okay. So they are measuring how much degree that earthquake is happened. Yes. Like that. Understood? Sector scale, that is. Depending on its strength. It is depending on the strength. How strongly the earthquake is happened. Yes, through that the scale will show us. The strongest earthquake recorded was measured at 9.5. Okay, 9.5 on the sector scale. Yes, in that sector scale, very big earthquake is measured at 9.5. Okay, 9.5 is very biggest earthquake. Okay, that is being measured in the sector scale. Okay, children? Yes. Hope you are understanding. Now you know how the earthquake occurs, right? Yes, you might have learned in the EVS 2 and maybe I think so. Right, children? Yes, it comes under the social part only. Right? This and all. Yes. Then, shall you, now I will ask you the question. You should answer the questions. Okay? Yes. What is the innermost layer of the earth is called? Innermost layer of the earth is called as core. Correct? Core. Then option is D. Write down in the bracket D. Yes. Then next. What is the earth crust made up of? What is the earth crust is made up of? Tell me. It is made up of molten lava, water, huge rock, sand. Which it is made up of? Huge rock. Yes. It is option C. Write down option C. Yes. Then why does the pressure under the earth increases? Why the pressure of the under earth is increasing? Tell me. the plates rubbing together, or the cold, or the weight of people. For which purpose it is? Tell me children, increasing? Yes, it is increasing by rubbing. Yes, the plates are rubbing together. Right, option B. Write down option B. How does the earth ease the increased pressure? How the earth ease the increased pressure? By causing rain, by keeping it inside the crust, by causing feminines, or by trembling and breaking apart. Yes, by trembling and breaking apart, right? Yes, so option D. Yes, write down option D. Then fifth one. Which machine measures earthquake? Which machine will measure the earthquake? Seismograph, scale, barometer, thermometer. Which one children? Yes, seismograph. Right? Yes, option A. Write down. Then next we have vocabulary. Use a dictionary. Okay? Yes, page number 47. The words that appear at the top of the dictionary page is called guide words. Yes, top of the page. There will be given one words, right? That is called as guide words. Okay? Yes, the word on the top left of the page tells us what the first word on the page is. Yes, in the left side of the dictionary, you can see one word there, left side. Okay, one word they will be given. So that will show us in this word, in this page, which is the first word. Okay, which is the first letter, second letter, like that. I already taught you in the, yes, tell me when I taught you. Yes, in the, even I forgot children. Yes, that is in bridge course, right children? Yes, I also forgot when I teach. Yes, it is a bridge course, but you should not forget, okay? Yes, how to use the dictionary, I already taught you, like in a ABCD way, right? Yes, first letter, then you will go to the second letter. Yes, I already taught you, right? In that way only, we should use how we will use the dictionary, okay? Then next is the word of the top right side of the page tells us what the last word on the page is. Last word in the right side it will show us what is the meaning. The words on the page are arranged in alphabetical order. Yes, in that page, alphabetical order only they have been given the words. First word will be the same word only, but second word only you should check whether it is correct or not. Right? Then the third one also you have to check. In that way, if you check easily, you can find out the word meaning. Okay? Yes. Then next is the alphabetical order is the order in which the letters from A to Z are written in English. Yes, in English only they will be given the word and meanings. Okay? That is from A to Z. 3 word you will find the meaning in that. Okay, the purpose of guide word is to help us to find word easily. By looking at the guide words on the particular page, we can quickly tell which words will appear on a certain page. On a certain page, we will have more words. How will you search? Yes, the second word, third word letter, second letter, third letter, fourth letter. If you go like that, easily you can search. You can find your word meaning easily in the dictionary. Understand children? In that way you can use the dictionary. Then turn next page, page number 48. Guide words appear above the thick line as shown in the picture below. Yes, in the picture below they have given one, appearing the thick line as shown in the picture, thick line. Okay, by that you can find out. Then exercise 2.1, given below are the guide words on the page of a dictionary. Like this they will give the dictionary guideline words, guide words they will give you. Like birth, bleed, like that. Okay. See, look at the list of the words below. Tick right the words that can be found on that page of the dictionary and cross out wrong the others. Okay, in this yes children, yes, how you will find out? Yes, if dictionary is there, I would have showed children. Dictionary I will get to more, next class. I will show you in that. Okay. Now I will explain. See how. See here they have given birth, 12 to bleed. Okay. These words, in these words, between these words we are getting or no, we should find out. Understanding. From this word to this word, in between words you should find where it will, we will get this. Okay. See. First is B-I-R, right? Yes, B-I. Here where we have B-I, see here, B-I, right? We have first and second letter here also. But here it is R, right? After R only we need to search, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, R, no. After R, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Correct? Yes. Then S is here only. Right? Then we need to tick this because we got yes. So tick it. Okay. Then next after S. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Where is no T? R, S, T, U. U also we didn't get. U, V, W, no. X, no. Y, Z, no. We didn't get. Now we will go on to the next letter here. Bleed, B-L-E-E-D, bleed. Right now from L letter, before that what letter we will get, we will see. Okay. B-L. Right. See we have here also B-L. But this is I. This is forward word. Before word. Right. After word. Now we will see before word. See we will get here. B-L. A-N-K. Okay. B-L-A-N-K. Here also we have B-L-A-N-K. So first this it will come. So tick this. B-L-A-N-K. Then we will get B-L-A-N-K-E-T blanket. So we got these three words in this between. Okay. It's like that. Now you do it this children. Clearly I will explain in the next class. Okay. I will bring dictionary and I will show how you should find out. Okay. Yes. Now dictionary is not available. So please write down now like this itself. Okay. Next class I will show. Then next on the page, next we have exercise 2.2. Make 6 words using the letters from the given word. Rewrite the words you made in alphabetical order in the second table. In the first table, you have to make 6 words. Okay. Make 6 words using the letters from the word given below. Here they have given the word below, right? Where this. Right, in this word below, we have to do how many words? 6 words. See, I will write this on the board, children. Yes, instead of showing like this. Okay. Yes, children, see like this. It is right in page number 49. See, unbelievable. In this, we have to make 6 words. First, I will do able, A-B-L-E. Okay, write down A-B-L-E, able. Then, next, I will be taking believe. See here. Believe. Okay. B-E-L-I-E-V-E. Believe. Okay. B-E-L-I. Sorry. B-E-L-I-E-V-E. This E also have been taken. Believe. Okay. Like that. Then next label. L-A-B-E-L. Label. L-A-B-L-E. L-A-B-L-E I have taken. Okay. Then next live. Ball. Sorry. B-A-L-L. Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Okay. Then next is live. L-I-V-E. L-I-V-E. Live. Okay. Then next is bell. B-E-L-L. Bell. B-E-L-L. Bell. I have taken like this. I have made 6 words. Okay. Now I should put it in the alphabetical order. Okay. First is A. Correct. First we should start from A only. So A. Okay. Then after A, B only, right? B. Then L-E. Able. This only comes first. Okay. Then next. After A, B. Okay. Okay. We have here B. Here also B. Here also B. Right children? But see the second letter. Second letter is E here. Here A. Correct. LL like this in alphabetical order. Okay. After that, then we will see these two words. Okay. BELIVE. Here BELL, bell. So first which we will take BELI, because after L both is L only. So we will take I. Okay. ABCDEFGHI. First I only will come. Then only L will come. Right. So first we will take believe. Okay. BELIVE. Believe. Okay. Yes. Better you write small letter only, children. For God. You should not write the big letter because this is not an naming word. Noun. Okay. Yes. Then next. After that, after believe, then we can take bell, because after I only L will come. Right. So we will take bell. BELL. We will write. Okay. Then next what is that? After A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, because L only will come. Other than other words we don't have. So here also L, here also L. Okay. Then we will see the second letter A. So first we should take A only, right? Then label. LABEL, label. Then the last word we can take, because all the words we have written, left is this only. So we will write LIVED. Okay, in this way we have to write in alphabetical order. Okay, yes, please write down, children. Then next we have grammar. Yes, pronouns. Read the passage. Here passage is there. We will read the paragraph and underline the pronouns. They are subject, object, reflexive or possessive pronouns. Okay. Yes, we will see that. Yes, children. Yes, we will read the passage. Ravi and Sujla went to the park. They played on the slide. The boys loved it. The slide was very slippery. Here you should find out the pronouns and underline. Okay. Ravi and Sujla went to the park. They. Yes, they is pronoun. Underline. Played on the slide. The boys loved it. Okay. It is pronoun. Underline. The slide was very slippery. Meher joined them. Yes, them is pronoun. She is also pronoun. She had a ball. She is pronoun. Underline. Told everybody that it. Yes, it also underline. Was hers. Hers also pronoun. Underline. She is also pronoun. Had brought the ball for herself. Herself also pronoun. Okay. Here subject pronoun. You have to say which is subject pronoun. Okay. Subject pronoun is they, she, it. Okay. These are subject pronoun. Okay. Then object pronoun. Object pronoun is it, them, hers. It, them, hers. Okay. Then reflexive pronoun herself. Okay. Only herself. Only one. Then possessive pronoun is hers. Hers. Okay. Are you getting, children? Now you know that the naming words are called nouns. Naming words are called nouns, you know. Right? A pronoun is a word that takes place of the noun. Pronoun is the place where it takes the place of the noun. Okay, that is pronoun. Okay, turn the page, page number 50. Let us recall the different types of pronoun that you have studied so far. Yes, till now how much of pronouns you have studied? We will just recall that. Okay, subject pronouns. What are subject pronouns, children? They perform the action in a sentence. They will perform an action in the sentence. That is called subject pronoun. Example like I, we, you, he, she, it, they. This and all comes under the subject pronoun. And sentence. Example sentence is we ran a race. We. Yes, we is you are including you and others. Right. So we ran a race like that. Okay. So here we is subject pronoun. Okay. Then next object pronouns. What are object pronouns? They receive the action in the sentence. They will receive the action. Taking the action. Receiving. Okay. The action. That sentence is called object. That thing is called as object pronouns. Example like me, us, you, him, her, it, them. These are all object pronouns. Okay. Yes. Example: Rama is going to the party with him. Okay. Rama is going to the party with him. Him is the object pronoun here because it is taking the action. Right. It is receiving the action in that sentence. So the him is object pronoun. Okay. Then reflexive pronouns. What are reflexive pronouns? They are used when we refer the subject of the sentence again in the words. These pronouns are called. These pronouns are used when the object of a sentence is the same as the subject. Yes. See here in the sentence, object also is same and the subject also is same. Right. That is reflexive pronoun. That sentence becomes a reflexive pronouns. Okay. Yes. They are also used to emphasize the subject of a sentence. To emphasize the sentence. Okay. Like myself, yourself, yourselves, himself, himself, herself, themselves. Right. Itself, ourselves. This and all comes under the reflexive pronouns because you are telling for yourself only or by yourself only that is the reflexive pronoun. Okay. Example: the children cooked for themselves. The children cooked for themselves. Children also same, themselves also same. Right. Children means children only. Themselves means for children only. Themselves they are doing. Right. So it is a both thing. Right. So it is reflecting. So that reflexive pronoun, that is called as reflexive pronoun. Like themselves, ourselves, himself, itself. Right. This and all comes under the reflexive pronouns. Are you getting, children? Yes. Then next we have possessive pronouns. What is possessive pronouns? They are used to show ownership. Ownership. This is the marker, black marker. Who is the owner for this? Yes, me only. Right. This is my marker. Right. My marker. This is my marker. I will not give. Yes, we say like that, right? Yes. You are telling that these things belong to yourself, right? So that comes under the possessive pronoun. Possessive you are very possessed for that thing, right? That is possessive pronoun. Okay. Example: mine, yours, then his, hers, ours, yours, its, theirs, like that. Okay. These all are possessive pronouns. Okay. Example: the bicycle is hers. Okay. Or the bicycle is his. Okay. Are you reading, children? Yes. These and all are possessive pronouns. Okay. Yes. Then we will go to the relative pronouns in the next class. Okay. Till here this is enough. Hope you are understanding, right, children? Yes. Already you have learned about the pronouns, types of pronouns and all, right? Yes, you know very well. Subject pronoun, object pronoun, reflexive pronoun and possessive pronoun. Then next relative pronoun we will go in the next. I will explain in the next class. Okay, children? Yes. Then I told you dictionary I will be showing, right? I will try to bring the dictionary and I will show how to search the meaning also. Okay, once I will show you. Okay? Yes. Then today I think this is enough. Yes, children, nothing homework. You have to complete whatever I have done in the class and you have to go through it once. You have to read that grammar part, vocabulary part, everything. Okay, read it and understand. Okay? Yes. Today till here it is enough. We will end up this. Right, children? Then we will continue in the next class. Okay? Till then, take care. Bye.